This one's slated for 25 laps to completion. Bring it around, open up the coupe door, punch a chicken, let's go racing on a Saturday afternoon at Havasu 95 Speedway. Look at Darren Kearns on the high side. Blackwell thinking about making it 3 wide as they exit 2. Hansen had to woe the 23 up. Locks it up. Kearns on the high side. Hansen comes back. Let's see it, the line. Darren Kearns with the lead that time by. Oh, it's going to get interesting, ladies and gentlemen. Says, nah, he's going to try to figure this one out. Blackwell getting on the high side of McKinney. McKinney still following. Big bad Darren Kearns, the leader around this place. Blackwell thought about going in. Got in hot. Oh, Kearns is sideways. Kearns came in sideways. There may have been a little help there. Not saying that there was. Punch it, chicken. Come on with it. Kearns got the memo. Looked like he didn't want to. Looked like he jumped the start. That was probably a good move on his part. McKinney looked good all day, and he's been in charge. McKinney rolls into 1. Looking as nice as he has the entire day. Comes out of 2. Leader going along the back straightaway. Rolls it into 3. Ladies and gentlemen, first main event winner of the day in your Sam Nichols Electrical Fattery Stocks, Mr. Kevin McKinney. Yeah. Bunch of chickens, come on. And if it is terminal, hey, it's... Whoa. Yeah, it's kind of like you made the left at Albuquerque, except we're a little past Albuquerque. Oh, yeah, let him go. Punch a chicken. At that City Chevrolet 76. Almost made the move for the lead there. Might see it out of 2. Oh, yeah. Go with the spirit. Yes, indeed. No, easy there. Yeah, you know, the muffler man, again, you know, brake lights on these too. I'm liking the brake lights on some of these cars. Fortunately, I'm not sending any liquid down. That's a good thing. White flag is out for Pereira Auto Parts, and the muffler man sponsored 11. There's a Pat Brown driving that 11. How about that? Okay, that sounds good. Yes. You're going to win the bragging rights. Spirit of the 76, Pereira coming in second. Punch it, chicken. Here come the legends. Over a 3-second lead. Holy moly. But meanwhile, back in second place, Joshua Carey still trying to keep Austin Murphy behind him. Murphy gets to the back bumper. Knock, knock. Who's there? Austin Murphy. Now Austin Murphy. New second place as they go by the Morrison Hotel. Last lap flag out for Mr. Brucker, Stephen Brucker. Sponsored by Associated Concrete. Here in the Legends from Alpine, California, the young man going to bring home another main event win this afternoon at Havasu 95 Speedway. Stephen Brucker coming in first. 50 laps to completion. Here we go. Come on with it. Punch it, chicken. Here come the modifieds. Meanwhile, watching our leaders, they're about to start catching lap traffic. They're going to catch David Boardman in that 70 and Ben Williams in the 24. And Boardman and Williams trying to stay on the lead lap so they can race in front of the leaders coming. That's Boardman in the 7. Boardman moving high. Guevara going to go on the bottom. Doesn't look like the 55 wanted to get down. It's almost like Guevara pinched it in 3 and 4 just a bit. Now, he's going to get underneath Boardman. Also clearing his Brucker. You can see Ben Williams almost dirt tracking his mod in front of him. It's almost a dirt mod car. You see it on corner exit. Gives Brucker the okay, just get on by me, dude. Oh, we got one around in 4. Holy moly. That's Ben Williams in the 24. Punch it, chicken. It's the 602 mods on a Saturday at Havasu 95 Speedway. Brucker goes to the high side. Might have been calling Guevara out. Guevara stays to the lower side. Giannini right there. Brucker giving that number 2 all she's got. Guevara sees the white flag. William Guevara in the 55. Steven Brucker in the 2. William Guevara looking good all race long, ladies and gentlemen. Your 602 modified winner, William Guevara. Open the coupe door, punch it, chicken. This is your Elaine Rohzon Memorial Street Stock Race at Havasu 95 Speedway. On Brown, but Roger Brown and Jeremy Orozco trying to figure out second and third position. Oh, we got him sideways. The 45, it looked like him and Daniel. Not sure who was leaning on who. 73 more to go. Punch it, chicken. Back to street stock racing. Good start by the top 3. Got a really good start. In fact, Orozco right to the back bumper of Roger Brown. Vermillion working the high side, and that 44. Watch out, here comes Jacob Cataro. Cataro wants some of that action, top 5, starting to step out on C-Court. Now Brown starting to move up just a bit. Orozco wants that bottom side. Cataro bumping on the back door of Orozco. Now Orozco, he's got his sights set. Oh, we got one down. Is that that's the 90. That's Rodriguez up against the wall. Not into the wall, but up against it. And about the entry to 4. Caution on the raceway. Punch it, chicken, back to racing. Let's go. Now, is this going to work into Orozco's favor? Let's see. Oh, and look who jumped. Coming out of 2, he said, leave it open, and I'm coming, ladies and gentlemen. Coming out of 4, possibly, yes, indeed, a new leader, Jeremy Orozco. Oh, Roger Brown got loose in front of the field. Just took Vermillion with him. Vermillion was just a victim of there was nowhere else to go. Roger Brown got sideways in the middle of 1 and 2, looked like by himself. And Vermillion got all piece of that rear end on that Firebird. Jeremy Orozco leading Hovdahl. Cataro in 3rd, C-Cord 4th. And the 33, Mr. Chad Hansen, as we go back to green flag laps. Oh, and Darren Kearns looks like around. Punch it, chicken. Green flag is out. We're counting these laps now yet again. Roscoe, his car looks pretty gosh darn good today. Coincidentally, everywhere that team has taken that race car, every different race track that car has seen, that car has won at. That's a pretty impressive feat. The Elaine Rohzon 2nd annual Memorial Street Stock Race, but all of a sudden Jeremy Orozco's got fluid coming out of the front of that car. Oh, he might have just blown it up, ladies and gentlemen. Your leader done, and that thing is pouring. On a heartbreak for the number 5 team. Get back to laps at cow, punch it, chicken. Here we go. Wow, Dave's never looked so pretty up there. Kotaro and Secord. Hansen in the 33. Brent DeLay on the high side of Hansen in 4th. And your champ, your reigning champ, Ryan Daniel up to 5th. But still, Brent DeLay on the high side. Oh, we got trouble in 1 and 2. Hovdahl and McKeern. And looks like, I believe that's D-Ray Bruce in that number 2. Oh, and it almost seemed like Hansen impeded the forward progress of Brent DeLay and Ryan Daniel. Both those gentlemen, I'm not sure if they bumped each other or just woed up quite noticeably on that restart. But hey, either way, we're good to go. At lap number 40, 36 laps to go. Brent DeLay joining the lead group. DeLay caught him. Orale. There's the 3D of Brent DeLay. Right behind Eddie Secord. Secord maybe going to look. Secord looks under. Kotaro didn't even know what happened. DeLay might have came with him too, but Kotaro slammed that open door and said, no, 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 no. DeLay going to look under Kotaro as they come out of 2. Kotaro shoots back down in front of DeLay. DeLay says, oh, well, if that's how you're going to do it, well, here. A little knock-knock, who's there? Brent DeLay. Brent DeLay who? Brent DeLay says, I'm going to make an entire line adjustment and just go to the high side, see if he can maybe get Kotaro to get up there and block. Kotaro went up there. Brent DeLay on the bottom side. DeLay set him up, and now DeLay has the spot. Maybe having something to say there in the 3D. Says, come on with it, Fast Eddie. You got something? I don't think you do. I think my 3D's a little faster. Oh, we got a yellow. Oh, man. The 17 gets around. Sun is shining. Miss Elaine is watching from the heavens above. Punch it, chicken. Wow. Wow. So the 33 didn't get going. Ryan Daniel got all over that one. Oh, and Kotaro brings it to him. Oh, no, Eddie Secord. Oh, man. Chaos at the front. I can see, let's see now, delays should be catching up. Punch it, chicken. Let's get it figured out. 6 laps to go. It's a new race. Brent DeLay pulls off. Ryan Daniel to the inside. Hansen in a 33 had to whoa up Ryan Daniel. He's going to have to whoa that 117 up, and he does enough to take the lead. Ryan Daniel, your point leader, coming in and roll, but he made a mistake right there. Hansen comes back on him. Curtis Burns catching up in the 53. Ladies and gentlemen, coming around to see the white flag. Number 33, Mojave Mortgage. Hansen been doing a fantastic job, and it's starting to pay off. Sponsored by Mojave Mortgage, K Triple J, Shark Skins, Fly Next Saloon. Your main event winner, Chad Hansen. Hansen brings home a street stock main event win. Yeah, chalk that one up. Ryan Daniel in second, Curtis Burns third. Holy moly. You know, Matt McKinney, he called that 33. Good job, dude. Good job.